free is like no purchase necessary. So I'm going to do the same thing, a lot of different flowers. I'm going to show you some of really easiest way to do your flowers. I'm going to get like 6 beads. Really good 6 beads. And then the 40 gel is tag free. So when you're done, it's completely done. So I'm gonna getting a size of like a good, I would say about the size of the moonbeam, you think? All right, so just 2 of this first. Close the lid for just now, and all you need is your tip of your Duane brush. Press it down. So I have both of them is kind of across from each other. Press down, press down. I love this. Just go with everything. Ooh. And you don't have to go really aggressive. Press down, let go. Just don't mess a lot with this, because that's how does the 40 gel does all the work, and the brush is already do all the work for you. And you don't have to worry about it had to be perfect. You can go ahead and you see that how I doing it. Just take your time. You don't, with the 40 gel, you don't have to rush. It's not like acrylics. It's not going to set. It's not going to dry until you are going to cure it. So it's a great to practice with the 40 gels. And then when you miss a mistake, you don't have to worry about much about it, because you can just definitely roll it back up and sculpting it again. So if you want your paddle to be bigger, you can keep going and work on it. But if you are happy with this, you can definitely flash key it first before we go into the second layer. I would suggest, if you want, you can do the flash key first to give it like a quick cure. I'm gonna do go in this one, draw it a little bit longer. It's really cool because you see that I still work and they still are really moldables. It's not gonna give me any hard time at all. All right, flash here, and then it's everywhere. All right, and we're gonna do 4 smaller beads. Just flash here for like 10 seconds. I'm gonna get 4 beads first. 1, 2, 3. This color is beautiful. I like it a lot. Add some more. So easy to sculpting. Some more. You see, sometimes you see me do 4 of them on the plate. You can do however you want, okay? Close it. Make sure you are like a little fur somewhere. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of really easiest way and fun design you can do, and then you can able to adjust your flowers a little bit shorter, longer, bigger. It depends on the length and the shape of the client's nails. And then I am go ahead and do all of the petals, and you don't have to make it really perfect yet. You can go ahead and do like kind of a form for them. and then you go back and perfect it as you prefer, okay? And if you don't like the shape, always you can definitely roll it back up and start it over if you feel like it doesn't go the way you wanted it. I'm gonna get this on a little bit right there. Just like wrap around that. It's super cute and easy. I loving it. And happy Valentine to all our Glitz fam. Hope you are having an amazing Tuesday and Valentine's Day. Make sure you take good care of yourselves and be safe out there. Looks like I want to curve this one. If you want this paddle to be bigger, you know what happened? You can do, just add more 40 gels on it. You can add more, less. All right, I'm happy with this. You can definitely cure it if you want to. And then we can add some of, take advantage from that. I'm gonna add some condensed glue gels. Because it's still wet, I'm gonna add it right now. Because between the condensed glue gels and your 40 gels, they're gonna wrap around my crystal here. You don't need to add the top coat on the top of this, okay? Top coat, only on the top of the 40 gels.
Condensed glue, you mean?
I mean, condensed glue gel. Thank you. Hey, it's good that you pay attention.
Mm-hmm.
Should I do a pink or red?
Do red.
Do red.
Give it more pop.
I'm gonna steal it.
There you go. Pop.
All right. Happy Valentine.
Yep, and for those of you who just tuning in, so if you want to get a free 40 gel today with us, this is the day. So simply go ahead to our website at glitzsuccessandsuch.com. Add the live blush 40 gel, which is number 3. Add that to your cart, and during checkout, use code LOVE, LOVE, and that 40 gel will be free for you.
No purchase necessary. Go and enjoy your Valentine gift from Glitz to you. All right. Flash gear.